Hi there, I'm Luz and I'm here to show you how to remove your nails before you chew them off. All right, the first step is going to be filling up your bowl with warm soapy water. I've got my soap, my water, and some oil. It can be cooking oil or cuticle oil. Last thing you'll need is one of these wooden cuticle sticks. I'm gonna soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. After you're done soaking, you're gonna wanna take the wooden cuticle stick and try to lift the nail gently. You don't want to force it all the way through. You just want to create a gap so that the water and the soap and the oil gets underneath the nail. When the nails are ready, they should start popping off and you should not feel any pain. And that is all, friends. Remember to be very gentle and very patient. And if you made it this far, leave us a nail emoji if you want to see more nail videos.